Hello guys, I'm Paris the options guy and welcome back to today's video. And if you see today markets not Nifty not moving up so much, Nifty being pretty much flat after opening with a gap up, but Bank Nifty on the other hand, if you see opening with a opening with a gap up, seeing a sell off, again recovering, right? So at lower levels, as I said, 52,800 will be the level where we will go ahead and take a bullish position. And I had also said that wait for the breakout. First time the breakout that might happen over here will be fake, and so don't buy that. And if you see, the markets did see a sell off, and then after that 52,800 acting as a very good support, you would have gotten easily 400 points. If even 300 points is fine if you would have, let's say, taken entry at 52,900 and then held it till the day high, or just even 200 points if you captured those, that is also fine, very good, right? So what can we do for tomorrow is going to be very simple. Now, as of now, Bank Nifty is looking pretty weird because if the market had to move, it should have moved out tomorrow, today itself, right? So I'm not saying that the market has become negative or anything, but this is the tomorrow we might see a little bit of volatility again like this, right? But still we will think about taking a bullish position at some places which are favorable, right? So for Nifty, if you see tomorrow, we should not open with a gap down again, right? If we open flat, that is fine, but opening with a gap down will be a little bit sort of a, you can say, not a great movement for Nifty, because Nifty is already a bit negative over here. So again, to 24,240 to 230, this area will act as a support. So if the market comes down over here, again take support from it, you guys can go ahead and think about taking a bullish trade. But the best thing that can happen for Nifty is if Nifty opens with a little bit of a gap up. Now Nifty has closed at 24,300 over here. So if Nifty opens with a gap up, let's say somewhere near 340, 350, that is with a small gap up, and then comes down again near this area of 24,300 and starts taking support, that will be the best thing for Nifty, and we can then go ahead and take a bullish trade from here, and then we can get the best trade till the first target of 24,400 and then the second target of 24,500 on the upside. So even if Nifty opens with a small gap down, that is fine, but the best thing, as I said, would be if Nifty opens with a little bit of a gap up. That will be the best thing for us, and then we can get a good trade on the upside, right? On the downside, as I said, this level is important. Until unless this level breaks, we will think about taking a buying position from this level, right? If this level breaks, then we will do nothing for tomorrow, because then there will be a bit of volatility because there are multiple supports on the downside, if you see. So Nifty will definitely try to take support and be a pretty volatile index for tomorrow. If we open flat, what can happen if we open flat is that Nifty might go and break this low and then come back up again. So if that is happening, if Nifty is opening flat, breaking this low, basically going below 24,280 and then again recovering and going about 24,310, that is when you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade again with a target of 24,400 on the upside. Why am I saying so is because Nifty might trap everyone on the downside by breaking today's low, and everybody might be interested in taking a selling position over here, and then Nifty might take all of the liquidity of those sellers and then start to move up. So that will be the plan for Nifty. Now talking about Bank Nifty, also one more thing, if you open with a very big gap down, let's say somewhere let's say below this zone anywhere, then it is better to not take any sort of a trade tomorrow, because things will be pretty volatile. If you open with a very big gap up somewhere near 24,400, then we will not take a trade at that level. We'll wait for a pullback till 24,340 to 300. In this area only is where we'll go ahead and take a bullish trend. However, one thing that might happen is that if Nifty starts to make positive price action at higher levels itself, right, then you can think about taking a bullish trade from higher levels itself, or else we will not take a bullish position at higher levels. Even then we will keep our quantity less, because we are taking positions at higher levels, so we need to keep our quantity less, not go with very big quantity on the buying side, right? Talking about Bank Nifty, for 52,800 again acting as a support, so that will continue to be the support until and unless that breaks. We can think about Bank Nifty consolidating either in this 500 point range of 53,300, or breaking out and going above that level also. So the important level to watch out for tomorrow will be, now this trend line has shifted over here, if you see. So what can you guys do over here is going to be very simple. If Bank Nifty is holding 53,000 and market has started to make positive price action anywhere in this area of 53,000 to 53,150, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade from this level itself. And again, if we from this level itself, first let's talk about that till the target of 53,400 on the upside. Now HDFC Bank today, if you see, not doing so great, but HDFC Bank, if you see, has come at a level, it has basically, you know, filled this gap, and now it might be ready to go ahead and go bullish from tomorrow. But for that, it needs to open with a good enough gap up. That is the only thing. It should not open with a gap down, because if it opens with a gap down, then there will be extreme weakness in the stock at least until 1680, right? So if it opens with a gap up, then if HDFC Bank actually opens with a gap down, then keep that in mind and do not think about buying in Bank Nifty. Rather think about taking a selling position in Bank Nifty, because then things will be pretty negative at least until 1680 to 1660. In this area, once HDFC Bank comes, or even at 1640, then it might again try to take support from here and then start to move up, right? So I hope that is very clear for you guys. So what can we do for tomorrow is going to be very simple. As I said, if we open with a gap up, if HDFC Bank opens with a gap up, Bank Nifty also opens somewhere near 53, 300, 250, all these levels, then we'll wait for one pullback till 53,200 to 100. In this area, anywhere that you see market has started to make positive price action, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trend. First target will be 53,450 on the upside, and then you can also keep 54,000. But it is better to take book all your for positions near 53,450 if you are not going to take your home positions on a positional basis, or not going to carry them over the weekend, right? If you open with a gap down, very big gap down, let's say near 50 to 900 or 50 to 800, again this level will be very important. Keep this in mind. Until and unless 50 to 800 is held, we will not expect very big fall also. So even if we break this level, we cannot expect a very big fall. However, we might expect a little bit of fall. But yes, if 52,800 breaks, then we'll wait for one negative price action below this level, and then we will go ahead and take a selling position from it till the target of 52,500 on the downside. Because if this level breaks, chances are we will see a bit more profit booking, because again, if this level breaks, then definitely Bank Nifty will also open with a gap down, right? Oh, sorry, HDFC Bank will also open with a gap down, right? And if that happens, as I said, that HDFC Bank will also be pretty negative. So it is better to take a selling position if this level breaks and not before that, right? Anywhere, as I said, above 53,000, you guys can think about taking a bullish position, because Bank Nifty has seen a good amount of buying in the end. So chances are maybe it might see more follow up tomorrow, right? If we open the very again, yes, that is also what I covered. If we open with a very big gap up, we'll wait for a pullback, then we'll go ahead and take a bullish position. So for tomorrow, one thing to keep in mind is that market should close above this high, or at least near this high. If the markets do not hold this level tomorrow, then chances are we might see a good amount of correction in the coming days. At least Nifty might easily see 52,400 to 52,000 on the downside. So tomorrow the market should at least hold this level. Maybe not cross this high, that is fine, but at least hold this level. Do not close below today's low that has been made, right? Because if that happens, then we can think about a continuation of this up move. But yes, for Nifty, 24,200 should be held. It should not be broken. If 24,200 is broken, then we might see again a 200 point move on the downside at least, and after that we might again see an up move from there. So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.